Listen, if you are a prop trader that has been struggling, right, with a lot of different things, such as meeting strict profit targets, managing drawdowns, and adhering to risk management rules, well, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to what is known as the Telegram Signal Copier. You heard that correct, also known as TSC. But more importantly, guys, I want you guys to understand that using signals and copying them has literally been never as easy as it is today with TSC. And I'm going to tell you right now that they actually provide a lot of benefits. All right, so if we actually take a look here, we got Merry Christmas, automate your trades, and maximize your profits. I like that. So scrolling down, we got advantages that transform your trading. We got trade anytime, anywhere, as you guys are aware of. Save time, stay in control. And we even have 6 ways Telegram Signal Copier can boost your profit. And listen, you guys, as I stated, I have a few different features that you're absolutely going to love that they have introduced that are different compared to anything else that I have ever seen on the market. So we got lot management. We got what is known as SLTP management. We got spread calculation, advanced management, trailing SLTP, and we even have the time filter, okay? Which is actually really cool. As I say to you guys, there's a lot of benefits here, okay? Scrolling down, you guys will see that they do have plans. Now, before we actually dive down into that, you guys will see right here, there's a lot of different benefits, all right? So you definitely want to check these out as soon as possible, especially if you are interested. But more importantly, you guys, if we scroll down, you guys will even see right here why Telegram Signal Copier is the ultimate choice for you. Well, you guys, there's a lot. We got bypass copy restrictions, we got custom strategies per channel, prop film, or let's say prop firm stealth execution. We got reverse signal, we got trailing SLTP adjustment, and more, right? It just kind of continues. But you guys will even see right here, if we just kind of continue to the upside, you're going to see that we do have these features. So I'm going to highly recommend that you guys click on this, and you definitely want to dive down into this, right? So we have what is known as the copier. So any format and language. We got private, and we even have public groups and channels. We got image recognition, bypass copy restrictions. We have a delay function, and we even have prefer entry price. So that delay function, guys, this is actually really cool, okay? So we're talking about adding delay in signal execution. So whenever it comes to, say, most prop traders, they actually want to take delay entry in their prop account when they receive a signal in a Telegram channel. And why is that? Well, it's because the same channel might have been using or might have been used by other prop traders. Okay, very important you guys understand that. So it would be safe, technically, if you take like milliseconds, right, to delay, say, the entry from the others. Okay, so in this case, whenever it comes to TSC, guys, I want you guys to understand that they did bring what is known as the delay entry feature in their copier, which is absolutely worth to look into. All right, now continuing down, you guys will see right here, we have what is known as EA. We got any order type, any type of pair, custom strategies per channel, which is awesome. We kind of briefly mentioned that. We got symbols, mapping, and prefix suffix. We even got selective symbol execution. Scrolling down, we got lot management, which is actually really cool as well. So you guys will see right here, we got lot and risk customization, fixed lot size, dynamic lot size as in percentage. We got dynamic lot size as in money, and we even have special lots. Now scrolling down, we got modifications. Now something that's really cool to talk about here, you guys, we got reverse signal, SLTP, and pips, entry SLTP modification pips. We even have calculation spread in SLTP, and we even have SLTP override mode. So you guys, they do have what is known as a pip modification. We're talking about for entries of SL and TP prices. So whenever it comes to, say, Telegram Signal Copier TSC, you guys, they did bring, or they brought a lucrative feature, which is called the pip modification. So with this option, you can actually add, deduct pips from entries, okay? Not only that, but SLs and TP prices. So suppose that you don't want to add 10 pips with the entry price or SL or TP price of the signal that you receive, say, from another channel. You simply input 10 in the respective field, and when a trade will be executed from the channel, it will add 10 pips with the desired price, right? So it's almost like, yeah, you are copying, but you're changing it a little bit different, right? We're talking about pip modification, okay? Scrolling down, we got some advanced management, you guys. So we got a few things such as like force market execution, ignore trades without SLTP. We got edits, updates, we got channel updates. So that right there is important. I want you guys to understand that they do have what is known as a custom comment feature. So basically, most of the prop traders, they don't want to show the comments on the account. And why is this? Well, they technically want to hide the source of the signal or where it's actually coming from. So based on the client's request, TSC, right, Telegram Signal Copier, it has introduced an option which is called custom comments. Okay, so with this option, you can actually turn off the source of the comment in the account. You can even customize the source name, you can change it, you can do whatever you like. Okay, so you guys will see right here, we've got trade filter customization, pip tolerance, optimized SL management, we got break even and close management, we got trailing adjustment, we got trailing stop TP, and we even have a smart profit lock. And then finally, we even have what is known as a time filter control. So one of the coolest things here, guys, is they have what is known as a TSC protector. So this is all based on a client's request, all right? But TSC launched a new service, which is called the TSC Protector. And basically, it literally only has one job, and that is protecting your drawdown and profit limit. So what does this mean? Well, in prop firms, one of the crucial rules, maintaining the drawdown limit in the prop challenge, right? It's basically say challenging. I want you guys to understand that in this case, TSC Protector, it will help you out to maintain your daily drawdown. Not only that, but even profit limit from your challenge. All right, so I need you guys to understand, and there is a lot of benefits here. All right, so how exactly, once again, if we actually kind of click here, you guys are probably thinking, how exactly do these benefit FTMO traders? Well, I want you guys to understand there's a lot of benefits here, right? Such as improving risk management, right? As we kind of showed you, right? There's a lot of different features, but I also want you guys to understand, you guys can see right here, we got a lot of things under management, right? Management. But I want you guys to understand, we're talking about enhancing trade accuracy. We're talking about reducing the chances of disqualification from challenges, right? Which is very important, all right? Now, finally, ladies and gents, as stated, we got some important details here at the very bottom. We got the starter package, we got the advanced, and we even have a pro, okay? You guys need to understand it, okay? So once again, there's a lot of benefits here, okay? So I'm gonna highly recommend that you guys try out what is known as TSC. I also want you guys to understand that the overall role here, it is basically improving trading efficiency and success rates, right? So check out the links down below, you guys. You definitely want to visit the website. You want to purchase TSC, right? Dirt cheap, you guys, 39 bucks a month. Try it, give it a shot, okay? And if you like it, go from there. You can even save with that lifetime right there, which is actually really good. But you guys definitely want to take advantage of literally any ongoing promotion. You'll actually see right here that we do have a buy one, get one free, which is about to expire in about 8 days, all right? So check out the links down below. Let us know what you think. We'll see you guys in the next video.